25 Creative DIY Ideas to Use Tree Stumps and Beautify Your Interior. Wood is all around us. Most items in a room are made of wood. However, if you want a piece of furniture made from unprocessed wood, we have some great inspirations for you. Just place a few stumps in the room, and you have a unique table or chairs. If you are the creative type, tools like sanders, paints, and a piece of rope will serve you well. A custom-made cushion will make sitting on this original piece of furniture even more comfortable. Wood, as nature provides it, can be used in many other ways. You can find more inspirations here. If you use freshly cut wood, you must account for it cracking. The stump should not be infested with pests, rot, or disease, and it must dry slowly, never in direct sunlight, to avoid cracking. If the stump cracks during drying, don't worry, each piece becomes a unique original. If the table will only be used indoors, it doesn't need to be treated. If used outdoors, treat it with a coating to protect against insects and mold.